guys, it's Willow and I have bangs. Every time I cut my bangs, I tell myself I'm never going to do this again, I'm going to let them grow out. And then this happens and I immediately regret it. But anyways, today I thought I would do a gold and pink cut crease. We're still pretty far away from Valentine's Day, but it would be a good look for Valentine's Day. And I just figured that this was something I wanted to do. I think this is only my second or third time doing a cut crease ever, so we'll see how it goes. Knowing me, I've just gotten worse at it. We'll just take those glasses off and start in. And I'm gonna have to use my cat ears to get the hair out of my face because they are the only headbands that I have. So we're gonna start off with our foundation. I like to use the Photo Focus by Wet n Wild. It's got a good amount of coverage to it and you don't have to use very much to get your whole face. So once you have that slathered on your face, you're gonna blend that out. And as I've said every time, you just dab it, you do not smudge it. I just started the keto diet. This is like my third or fourth day on it, and I haven't broken it yet. Okay, and now that I have covered up the mess that is my face, I'm going to start contouring. I like to do along the hollows of my cheeks, which you can find pretty easily by going and just tracing that line. And my jawline, the top of my forehead, and the sides of my nose. Blend that jaw in downwards motions and the cheekbones in upwards motions. And for my blush, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild multi-purpose stick, and it's kind of a lighter, very pink blush. And then blend it out. I've never really used it before, especially not as blush, but it looks like it does a pretty good job. And now it is time for our brows, darling. I'm going to be using a Revlon Brow Fantasy by Color Stay. And first you just take this end, which is the gel end, and brush those eyebrow hairs so that they're all going in the same direction. Then you take this pencil end and you go in and fill in your eyebrows. I like to make mine more square. And I'm doing pretty light, small motions. And I totally forgot to highlight my face. And I'm using my favorite highlighter in Becca. And I'm not using a brush because we're not fancy like that here. And you just put that on the highest point of your cheekbones. You can also do the tip of your nose and top of your chin. And your cupid's bow. Now I'm going to go in with my pencil eyeliner and I'm going to do my top eyelash line close to my eyeball and then my bottom lash line a little bit further away from my eye. And I'm only going to do the bottom about halfway and then I'm going to blend it out. I find it helps, since you have to get so close to your eyeball, to look the opposite direction and have your mirror held in a way that you can still see what you're doing. Now before I apply the wing part, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. And I'm going to make the pink be the top part of the cut crease. And I'm using this Hard Candy palette with this color and this color. First I'm going to take the darker pink and I'm going to go from my crease up towards my brow bone. And I'm going to kind of swish it at the corner. And it's okay if you go a little bit too low with it and get it on your eyelid, because you're going to be covering that up anyway. I'm taking the lighter shimmery pink and I'm applying that slightly above where I applied the dark pink and up towards my brow bone as well. Okay, now that we've gotten that part of our cut crease done, it is time to do the lid. First, I am taking a small angled brush and my eyeshadow base by NYX, like I always do, and I'm putting that over where I'm going to be putting the gold. I'm going to put a little bit of the white in the corner of my eye as well to help my eyes look more wide and open. Kind of making almost a tail like you would want your eyeliner to look like on that edge right there. And I'm kind of following where my natural crease is. And looking kind of down while you do that also helps stretch out your eyelid so it's not as wrinkly. And they're not quite even, but they're close enough. And the gold that I'm using is a cream metallic eyeshadow in Milani. And it's number 3 Fierce Foil Eyeshine. A little bit of a tongue twister. And I'm gonna use this lightest gold, I think. And we're just gonna go over the white. And that shade's actually not really wanting to show up. So we're going to go for this shade. That shows up a little bit better. And honestly, this little thing that they give you to put it on your eye is not very workable. Kind of made it difficult to spread it evenly on my eye. And just to help define the part between the two colors, I'm going to take my NYX gold eyeliner and draw a line between them. Okay, now it's time to take our liquid eyeliner and do our wing, and we're going to try and follow a little bit the curve of our cut crease. Not quite what I wanted when I envisioned this in my head, but we live and we learn. And I'm going to make it pretty thin, but long, or not. I don't know if I'm just hella off my game today, but this is not going well. We'll work it. Now we're doing our mascara and we're going up and down. Well, just up. And just a little bit on our lower lashes. And for our lips, I thought I would take a nude matte liquid eyeliner by e.l.f. And it's in the color Blushing Rose. I should probably lip line my lips before I do this, but it's too late now. So, the makeup situation got away from me pretty quickly, but I think I rolled with it okay. It's a look. This is the finished product. Tell me what you guys think down below, and if you have any tips for cut creases, I'd love to learn them because I'm pretty new at them. But I know they're a pretty popular trend right now, and I feel like I just do the same thing with my eyeshadow all the time, so I wanted to mix it up a little bit. I am using one of my new backgrounds today, and it's not the blue one like you guys liked the most on my social medias, but here you are. I kind of like this one. Let me know what you think, if you like the blue one better or this one better, and if you have any makeup ideas for me to do in the future. If you haven't already, you can follow me on my social medias. I should have them linked down below. If not, they are on my YouTube home screen. I have a Twitter and an Instagram. And if you haven't liked and commented yet, make sure you do that. And also subscribe if you want to see more from me. If not, I am not offended. I'm gonna put my glasses back on so I can see properly. I always have a lot of fun filming these for you guys, and I love to see your interaction with my videos. So if you do have the time, make sure you interact some way. Whenever you like and comment on one of my videos, it helps it be put into the algorithm more and more people will see them. But that is not why I do these. I do these because I just enjoy filming for you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys and hearing from you. So I'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.